In front of me is iPhone, and let me show you how to change mail signature on this device. So whenever you wish to get rid of default mail signature, you have to open your settings, then find and select mail, scroll all the way down and click on signature. Here you can delete the default one and now smoothly enter yours. From, for example, this way. Then let's go back, and as you can see, here it is. And every mail will have this ending included. So this is it. This is how you can change mail signature. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.